Find X8 series sets a new standard for smartphone excellence, combining our superior Hasselblad Master Camera System with next-generation performance, battery technology, and a leap forward for OPPO AI as part of ColorOS 15. Find X8 is incredibly thin and light despite its powerful performance across the board. And Find X8 Pro is a camera flagship pushing industry limits with its incredible zoom. OPPO is going with a redesigned look this year, with the more compact Find X8 joined by the Find X8 Pro. Find X8 brings a 6.59-inch flat LTPO OLED with FHD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. Find X8 Pro offers a slightly larger 6.78-inch LTPO OLED with the same resolution and refresh rate, and a more interesting micro-quad curved display, which looks like a flat panel but has subtle curvatures on all four sides. Both panels are rated at 1600 nits peak global brightness and up to 4500 nits peak local brightness for HDR content. You also get 32-megapixel selfie cams and optical fingerprint scanners. OPPO is offering its most versatile camera systems to date with the Find X8 series, and it starts with the Cosmos ring design for the camera island. It is noticeably smaller than the outgoing Find X7 generation and houses impressive hardware. Find X8 gets a 50-megapixel main cam using a Sony Elite 700 sensor, a 1.56 sensor with a 24mm equivalent lens and OIS. It is paired alongside a 15mm equivalent 50-megapixel ultra-wide module, ISOCELL HN5, with autofocus. The third shooter is a 73mm 3-eye periscope armed with an MX8A2 sensor, 1.95 size with OIS. It uses a triple prism design that takes up less space than standard periscope lenses. The Find X8 Pro's larger form factor allowed OPPO to add a second 50-megapixel periscope lens with 6x optical zoom. It uses an IMX858 1/2.1 sensor size with an f4.3 aperture and OIS. The 50-megapixel 3-dot telephoto and ultra-wide sensor are carried over from the standard Find X8, while the main 50-megapixel shooter gets a larger 1.4-inch E808 sensor. Both phones also have OPPO's Hypertone image engine. It merges 9 RAW frames into each photo for class-leading clarity and dynamic range while reducing noise and artifacting. Hasselblad Portrait Mode is also present, and OPPO is also adding a new live photo option, which captures short videos before and after you snap an image. The Pro model also gets a dedicated camera button, which OPPO calls a quick button. It can fire up the camera app with a double press, serve as a dedicated shutter, and also allow you to zoom in and out of shots. OPPO is also bringing back its alert slider button. The Find X8 series are the OPPO's first phones to launch with the Dimensity 9400 chipset. The chip is paired with a new cooling system with a graphite layer, vapor chamber, and thermal conductive gel inserted directly on the motherboard. Both phones will boot the recently announced ColorOS 15, which brings multiple AI features to the table alongside a redesigned look. Find X8 is equipped with a 5630 mAh silicon carbon battery, while the X8 Pro gets a larger 5910 mAh cell. Both support 80 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging and are IP69 water and dust resistant. The Find X series is OPPO's flagship line that's known for its advanced mobile photography technology. The Find X8 series will be bringing more of the same, this time with AI capabilities. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.